Well, a new tool launched today to help people who are being evicted here in California. Unlike other cities, Sacramento does not currently have protections in place for tenants right now. ABC 10's Morgan Reiner joins us now with what the tool does.
Thousands of people in California are evicted every year because they fail to respond to the eviction notices on time. The state of California only gives them 5 days to do so. But this new tool helps people fill out that form, makes it really easy for them to do so that they're not evicted by default. When Leah Simon Weisberg first started out as a landlord-tenant legal expert several decades ago, she said the concern was about a person's credit if they were evicted.
It's much more about, is there even housing you can afford?
With high rents and limited housing options,
What it's really about is being homeless.
but she said a new tool launching today, which she provided data for, is a defining moment.
The app is actually pretty amazing. I have never seen this quality through an application.
In California, a tenant only has 5 days to respond to an eviction notice and tell the judge they want to fight it.
When you don't answer on time, you default. You lose by default.
The new Tenant Power Toolkit asks people a series of questions and fills out the form for them that they can submit. Once they fill out the form, they are also now given an additional 10 days to make changes to it.
What we hope is that by giving people those additional 10 days, it'll loosen up more opportunities at the legal service agencies to get more chance to get an appointment.
Simon Weisberg said one of the biggest issues tenants face is that there are not enough legal aids to represent the tenants in court. She said Sacramento is the worst in terms of funding legal services.
Sacramento, it's just really shocking how little is available for low-income tenants.
And having a representative in court, she said, makes all the difference in the world.
You have a 0.17% chance of winning if you go to trial by yourself. If rich people don't go to trial by themselves, why should poor people?
She said 99% of landlords are represented by attorneys when they go to court, whereas far fewer tenants are. She said that's part of the reason that 80 to 90% of cases are settled before they even get to trial, which she adds is not necessarily a good thing because oftentimes the tenant is agreeing to settle so that they can avoid having an eviction on their record, but yet they still agree to leave the apartment.